Can an employer be held liable for institutional sexual assault or harassment in the workplace? Your employer knew. They had received complaints before yours. Here is why their inaction created your case. Workplace sexual assault and sexual harassment represent a form of institutional abuse that occurs in a setting where most adults spend the majority of their waking hours and where power dynamics can create exactly the conditions that predatory behavior requires to flourish. An employer can be held legally responsible for sexual assault and harassment in the workplace under several theories. Direct liability applies when a supervisor or manager, someone with institutional authority, perpetrates the assault. Under established employment law principles, an employer is vicariously liable for a supervisor's harassment that results in a tangible employment action. Negligence liability applies when the employer knew or should have known about the hostile or dangerous environment and failed to take reasonable corrective action. This is the theory that most directly targets institutional failures. The HR department that buried complaints, the manager who shielded a colleague, the institution that valued reputation over the safety of its employees. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, EEOC, processes tens of thousands of sexual harassment charges each year. According to the EEOC, in recent years, the agency has received between 7,000 and 12,000 charges involving sexual harassment annually. And these numbers represent only those who formally filed with the agency. The organization has documented that underreporting of workplace sexual harassment is significant. Here is something that rarely gets discussed publicly. Many workplace sexual assault survivors do not know that they can pursue a civil lawsuit alongside or in addition to an EEOC administrative complaint. Civil litigation allows for discovery of internal documents, complaint records, HR files, prior disciplinary records that can reveal exactly what the institution knew and when. Our firm has represented workplace sexual assault survivors for decades. If your employer failed to protect you, please call us. You have rights. We offer 100% free consultations by calling 855-566-3752, or you can visit us online at www.sjjslawyer.com. Note, this is informational only and not a substitute for medical or legal advice.